Now your mama cannot do anything this time because you managed to with her. See? That's good. You want the big one? Oh. You want the big water? Hey AJ. Adjust it. Adjust the sprinkler. Adjust it. Twist it one more. Yeah. Can you twist little bit? That's a big one. Just one twist. Oh, one more. It's gone. You have to look at it down. Yes, that's the thing. That's it. That's a good one.
No, it's not. You said no.
Make it a little bit stronger. Yeah, this is the good one. See, so I'm doing the box plant like this. Here.
Mama,
okay, go.
Do anything.
That's enough now.
Mama,
AJ is enjoying his summer vacation because this is the third day that he's on holiday, on school break. So now he dragged his mom to come to the water sprinkler. Before she was resisting not to do it, but she cannot do anything because AJ dragged her. See? Woo! Now you were successful on dragging your mom, eh? AJ, that's a good one. It's really hot. Oh, I think we have to put the swimming pool later.
I have a surprise. Close your eyes. Stand here.
Oh, don't spring the paste. Oh yeah, don't. Imove mo doon sa may, doon na sa may swing. Because you see now it's muddy. It's muddy puddle now. Yeah. Ay, ikon mo muna, hindi siya makaikot dyan sa parapet eh. I-move mo na kaunti. Kasi hindi siya makaikot, baka sumabit yung katawan niya dyan sa bakal, oh. Yeah, that's it. Okay, good. He is really enjoying now, AJ. So while I'm doing most of the stuff here, see, I don't have time to do it. So I'm making a box plant like this. So we're taking opportunity to plant some more many as we can in vegetable. Because vegetable here in Port McMurray or in Canada is more expensive than red meat, like beef and chicken and pork. So it's not really, most of the time we are, eating vegetable because it's too expensive. Yeah. Go. So this time now, no, don't do that to me. This time now, once we grown up grow the vegetable, then maybe we might probably harvest them and put it in the freezer so that we can have those during winter time. See here? But we just started now. The picture is started growing, but I have to transfer this one. And this is the, I think, these are the, ano ba ito? Litos? Hey! Don't spray the thing. Wala banos. I think that's mustard or licos. Init. Init talaga. Okay guys,
Wait,
this
I
is
will
it
be
for
right
now.
back.
Thank you
Guys,
for
this
watching.
was the
If
best
you
day
enjoyed-
ever. I made Mama wet.
Oh,
Wait,
that's
I got need to fill up.
why you're filling up? You can fill up from there, you can just no, you just adjust the water. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.